Jor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Usembur menteri rang ba kejela ubah persatuan tensong haka arfna terik unacung ada punriu ulong ba kamlong ka badai ban Kynnoh Tang kejela Meghalaya haka baidai ba Jingshlei surok forlin lani haka snong Jorabad ka ba penyeso kejela Meghalaya ba kejela Assam hajang krem kilap thai kubor ubah tensong ulong ba ka Meghalaya ba ka Assam kedi ban siamlang ka jingkit khle halo ka ni ka Jingshlei khnang ban weng ka jing e jong ki pai ba ki ba shong basa haka snong Jorabad ba Kynnoh let nawan ki bayat lingba ka surok forlin baro apsaw kunta.
The flood happens because of what? It is not in the hilly. It happens in the lower level. When you are in the lower level, if a proper drainage or a proper infrastructure is designed, so naturally it happens. And you can't even know exactly when are we receiving heavy rainfall or low rainfall. It's not possible, humanly speaking, to foresee all these kind of challenges. So therefore, I think this blame time and again, I think comes to Meghalaya. It comes to Meghalaya easily just because we are in the higher level, whereas Assam is in the lower level. So we can't help it. I mean, it's not possible to directly blame to Meghalaya. Or it's not possible Meghalaya also to blame Assam. I think ultimately we are responsible, both. We are together responsible. Why do we have a low level? Why do we have high level? You understand my point? So we both are equally responsible here.
So, Union Minister, will you also work for this? Will you also write to the center about having proper drainage system so that this flood can be avoided?
Yes, that in fact the concerned consultant engaged, whether by the state or by the central government, that component is already there. They need to also take into consideration all these issues. Drainage system has to be properly done. Then again, maybe the culvert system has to be also in place. These are the issues where they have already taken care of. And then yes, about this coming project, because see what happened is Assam, they will have a 6-lane ring road. So it will be benefited to Meghalaya too, because from Sonapur, again we will convert our Meghalaya road towards Silchar as a speed corridor. And from Sonapur somewhere it will connect somewhere in this Ribhoi site only, that speed corridor, and it will be meeting here somewhere in that in that that speed corridor which is high speed right now. Yes.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon hauput usam hapedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe katham artli ki jela hakabenta jong ka Assam dan kumba arpautli ki karkhana red category but ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya kate kathan kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor balapau perthai hakabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher dena kata ka daw kini artli ki jela menta kisdang pen khre banthaw ya ka joint action plan